The V6 hybrid project makes use of the Barista menu system. It's a two-panel menu. The top panel contains entries for the various add-on modules, and the bottom panel contains the tasks within that module. The menu seamlessly integrates the version 6 tasks with those from Accounts Payable and General Ledger that run in Barista add-on. For example, here on the Accounts Payable menu, I can launch Vendor Maintenance, and we'll see that I'm in my modern graphical form. Move to the Accounts Receivable module, into Customer Maintenance, and there is my familiar character customer screen. You might have also noticed that when you do launch a version 6 task, you're launched directly into that screen, and when you exit the task, an add-on uses the F4 key for that, the control returns to the Barista menu. So there's no independent version 6 menuing process necessary. Because we use the Barista menu, we're also able to tie into Barista Security, and that means we can very easily control access for our various users to the different modules and tasks within those modules. So I'm logged in here as the system administrator, and I have full access to all of the tasks in the menu. Let's see how this might look if we log in as a different user. Logged in here now with the guest account, we have fewer modules listed in our top menu panel, and you can also see that there are fewer individual tasks available to us in the bottom panel. The menu also gives us access to a history panel and some favorites. The history panel records all of the tasks that a user goes into in a given session. So I can easily relaunch customer maintenance by just going into history, selecting that task, and using the green run arrow. That can save some steps over navigating the main menu system. Likewise, adding things to your favorites is a simple matter of doing a right-click and adding to favorites. Use that for the tasks that you run quite often, and then you can easily jump directly to them from the favorites menu. The V6 Hybrid project offers a full digital dashboard, and the dashboard is a hybrid in and of itself, in that it pulls data from the Barista add-on database. In the case of these accounting widgets, since we know that Accounts Payable and General Ledger run using Barista add-on. But if we flip to the sales category, we know that version 6 is what controls our sales, our accounts receivable, our order processing, and so on. The data for these widgets then is pulled from that set of data tables. So it's seamless to the user, but in fact knows how to pull the data from the appropriate set of tables. And there's actually been a new widget added for this project. We can pop this one out to have a look. This lets us do a comparison using either customers or salespeople of our current versus prior year sales. So we can filter on salesperson or on customer. And as we've already mentioned, widgets can also provide a way to drill into your data. So by popping up this Jasper widget, we have several hyperlinks. So we can take a look at the dealer sales and then keep going. We can drill into sales for a particular company and even go into invoice detail. We can do the same sort of thing with regular widgets, by clicking on a particular entity, in this case one of our period bars, we can see the GL accounts that make up that income amount, and we can go further and click on a particular GL account to see a list of the transactions for that account.